SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium includes non-linear and dynamic analysis tools, along with composite material simulation. It also includes tools for vibration analysis, a challenge many designs face. In fact, many industries have specific requirements for vibration testing that must be achieved. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium will help you meet these requirements and give valuable insight into your design. Sensors are available across the suite of SOLIDWORKS simulation tools and are a great way to track areas of concern and check results at specific locations. SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium uses standard methods such as harmonic spectrum response and time-based loading to validate your design responses to vibration and provide results like stress, deflection, velocity, and acceleration. Results can easily be interrogated to look at the response of the system in great detail. You can identify sensitivities to specific frequencies and then ensure these do not conflict with operational requirements of the equipment. Verifying a structure's performance before it's built, like the earthquake resistance of this chemical storage tank, help you quickly identify problems and make corrections before they become a costly issue. For this storage tank, we want to refine wall thicknesses to ensure the structure meets industry-specific requirements. You can view the results over time or just look at the worst case condition over the entire test to quickly highlight the most highly loaded areas. The wealth of results SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium provides offer great insight into the structure's performance and loading, allowing you to fully interrogate the design, identify problem areas, and quickly develop solutions and validate their effectiveness. If vibration is an important design criteria or a required validation for your product, SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium is the right tool for your design process. To find out more about SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium, talk to SolidX today.